motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Exotic birds, Key West hustlers. I look around the room, I see some satisfied customers. We some sexy, oiled up motherfuckers. Key West, put it up, Key West. Put it up like this, make a thing in a W. Like this, we're gonna bring trouble to. A thing in a W. Like this, we're gonna bring trouble to. A thing in a W. Like this, we're gonna bring trouble to. A thing in a W. Like this, we're gonna bring trouble to.
Yeah. Yo, this is
video, dude. That was a video. Just shot a video of US Hustler. What?
Exotic Birds. Yo, that's Jimmy Luxury right there. Everybody state your mental case.
AKA Baby Jewelry, Cobra Man, Jimmy Luxury, Dito Peluche.
Yeah, Dito Peluche right here.
Sensitive Talker, Master Drummer.
Yeah, this is a fresh new beat maker here. How long you been making tracks?
I've been working with you, Jimmy.
For about a year and a half.
There you go.
Fresh new out of Philly. This is AKA Jesse Texas.
AKA Jesse Texas. Yeah.
Yo, pick up that Exotic Birds record when it comes out on floppy disk.
Floppy disk. Tiger Bro Records. Tiger Bro.